Hello friends, today I will unbox this Samsung Tab S6 Lite which I ordered from Amazon. You see Samsung Tab S6. One more seal to break. No, finally, no. This is tab. What we get in box: adapter, cables, USB cable, SIM ejector, and this, the biggest advantage of this tab, that this tab came with the S Pen. And okay, so tab, S Pen, SIM ejector tool, charger. Now the main part, tab. This is the tab. As you can see, tab. So detailed review of this tab I will made in second video. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share this video.